Welcome back to Tech Tally, and I am your narrator Samir. So here I am back with a new series of video tutorials. Are you excited? Without wasting much time, let's dig into the video.
So here we are, complete Python development from 0 to master level. In this course, we will learn about basic Python. If you are having no any prior knowledge about any other programming languages, so you are good to go with this course. We will cover all data types, integer, string, character and different mathematical functions used in basic Python. Further, we will move towards executing our code by using command line interface CLI. Further, we will make progress towards code editors like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. Then we are going to develop some applications in IDEs, integrated development environments like PyCharm or Spider. Further, we will learn about some notebooks and yes, hint, we are going to write machine learning algorithms and we are going to create some machine learning models in Jupyter Notebook. So here is a brief overview of what code editors and IDEs we are going to use throughout the course. We are going to start with the terminal, then we are going to move forward towards Sublime Text and Visual Studio Code. We are also going to use Notepad++ as it's also a good code editor. Then we are going to develop some apps using IDEs like PyCharm and Spider. And in the end, we are going to write some machine learning code and going to develop some machine learning models in Jupyter Notebook. So here are the basic concepts about the course. We will covering Python basics, then we will move forward towards advanced Python where we are going to develop some neural engine and neural networks. We are also going to look for some career opportunities that after completing this course where you are going to seek your career. And we are also going to learn that why Python is important in today's modern world. We are also going to learn about data scraping. Just take an example of Google search engine. You just search a word and Google provides you a result based on your searched keyword. So basically the algorithm working behind Google search engine is that when you search for a particular keyword, your data scraping algorithms runs in backend and it's going to scrape the vast world of internet and provide you the results that resembles your search. So that's basically a brief interview of data scraping. Then we are going to move forward to web development where we are going to deploy our websites back end. Then we are also going to make a home automation system using Python. Yes, we are going to design our own smart home. Further, we will learn about object-oriented programming, that how we are going to implement object-oriented programming concepts in Python. We will learn about classes, functions, decorators, generators, and we are also going to work on error handling. Further, we will talk about classes, instances, and instantiates as well. So, here is a slide where we are going to learn how a website works. For suppose, just take an example. Your website is written in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, or any other scripting language. And at the backend, we are running our Python. For suppose, if website wants some sort of data, so it's just going to ask to our backend that, hey, can you provide me or give me a data? Our Python algorithm is going to search for that data and going to reply with that data. So that's a simple scenario how we are going to use Python in backend for web development. Or just take an example of automated generated emails for your customers. If you are having an e-commerce website, you are selling something on your online business and you want your customers to get notified about the arrival of your new stock. So you can also generate some automatic email replies for your customers. Then we will talk about AI, machine learning, deep learning and data science. And we are also going to get our hands on some publicly available datasets like Iris dataset or VSAT dataset. We are also going to design our own model. We are also going to work on facial recognition and many other different projects as well. Here are some famous libraries like NumPy, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow. They are basically used in machine learning and data science. Yes, we are going to learn about them as well. For sure, we are going to deep digger and we are going to survey all these libraries in deep. Don't worry, I am going to help you out throughout the course. So let's wrap up all the things together. First, we will learn about Python basics. Then we will move towards command line interface for executing our code. Further, we will make progress to code editors like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. After that, we are going to develop some applications in IDEs like PyCharm or Spider. Then we will look for some career opportunities. After that, we will move further to advanced Python, where we are going to develop some neural networks and some neural engines. After that, we will be covering scripting, data scraping and home automation. And in the end, we will move towards web development, and yes, our last topic would be machine learning and data science. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.